Here you can see the quality finish of the book made by us at Kitab Lane. Every book we print is handled with care, using high-quality paper, clean binding, and neat packaging. Whether it's a novel, study material, poetry book or thesis, we make sure it looks professional and feels premium. You can choose your paper type, size, and cover finish. We also offer print on demand, so you don't need to keep stock. We deliver all over India and also offer cash on delivery for your convenience. You can check your exact printing cost anytime using our online calculator on kitablane.com. No hidden charges, just clear pricing. We aim to make printing simple, affordable, and high quality for every author, teacher, or student. If you have any questions or want to get started, call or WhatsApp us. Kitab Lane, print your book with trust and ease.